I'm Miss Kelly, the Youth Services Coordinator at the Albany Springfield branch. Spring is on its way, so let's celebrate nature by making your own glow-in-the-dark firefly. Then you can go outside and enjoy a scavenger hunt in your backyard. First, let's make our firefly, and then we'll talk about what you can do on your scavenger hunt. Remember, these 3 yellow beads will glow in the dark, so you need to make sure that they get a lot of sunshine so at night they can glow. So these are our items that you're going to need that's going to be found in the craft kit. You're going to get 1 black fuzzy stem, 1 glitter stem, 3 glow-in-the-dark beads, either 5 or 6 of the black beads for your little bug, and 2 little stick-on, it's a peel and stick eye. We're going to show you in a minute. It will peel. If for some reason it doesn't want to peel or stick, then you will need to provide this item. You'll need glue at home, and we're going to use scissors to snip our stems in just a minute, and a ruler because the directions ask us to snip off a little bit because our bug is not as long as the stem. The first thing we will do is take the black stem and measure. It is almost 12 inches there, and you will snip off 3 inches. So once your stem is in place, take your scissors and pick it up at the point of 3 inches and snip. This can be used later for something else that you like to craft at home. So we will begin to put the black beads upon our stem. So we're going to put the beads on. Five? Stop that thing.
I'm gonna cut it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, Kelly. Okay. So I'm going to slide them all the way down. That's how I did it. And I'm going to have a little space here. We're going to loop. Okay, the directions ask you to loop this end here. So we're going to kind of take a little loop and twist. Twist. There, it's twisted in there. And then we're going to pull that back because this is going to be the little lightning bug's head. Trying my best to let you see. That's his little head. And then there's going to be a smaller gap right here. We'll just kind of leave that loose. Next, you're ready to thread on your glow-in-the-dark beads. And now you're going to close this off. Again, we don't need as much. We can snip. We just wanted to make sure we had enough to work with. Snip off, leaving about 1 inch behind, enough to tightly loop over, pinch it under so that you don't lose the beads. All right, so now that we have twisted, and we got this on, this is the head, the 2, the body, the glow-in-the-dark beads. We're ready now to take this one. Your directions, you will be given a direction sheet. It says also to snip off about 2 inches. So we can pick up here, snip off the 2 inches, put our extra pieces here. This now becomes a circle that you twist and tie. This is going to become his wings. Now you're going to kind of pinch it together and twist. Now you're going to grab your little stem, the black stem, and twist. All right, so we got it twisted on. There's his little sparkly wings. I try real hard to make it equal on both sides. All right, the last thing is to do the peel and stick eyes. And like I said, if for some reason your eyes do not peel off a little white tab, then you will need to use your glue. All right. Now, your kids are ready to let their little firefly fly and glow through the dark at night. Now that you have your glow-in-the-dark firefly, let's talk about how to do a naturalist scavenger hunt. In your kit is a list of natural items to find, but feel free to make your own. You can do this in your backyard or go to a park with your family. When you find an object, mark it off your list. Mushroom, flower, bird. Remember, it's good to leave nature how you found it, but feel free to take lots of pictures. There's also a free iNaturalist app you can use to identify the nature you find. A special mushroom. I hope you have a good hunt. Come by the library and tell us what you found. Thank you.